anybody.
Necesito, I need to hear you. You want crazy now.
So you don't have to help.
They are not helping with your level. If they switch over to the mismatch rules.
Espera, recibe aquí, tiene a Cristiano aquí. No la recibe bien, nos tiramos un triple. Airball, run. Now, first ball, one-on-one. Bad decision, run, basket. They see enough guys.
There is one player able to stop the ex-Uja Murcia player, Campazzo. There is one player able to do it. Show me. Or I have to look for other solution.
Venga, no puede penetrar. No puede penetrar.
Our problem is 16, 17 points up and relax. And relax. And no D.
We can always feel it. Stop for. Feel us. Do you understand? You do materino, eh?
We have only 3 fouls. Go stronger, hey, he's very strong. He's going against the ball. Go stronger against him.
One guy have one effort and not 2 efforts. 2 efforts in a row.
Be ready for second and third effort in a row, please. Ladies, stay here. 5 players for the defensive rebounds. Everybody here.
And here's the rebound, guys. If we protect our basket, we have the game. If we did it, if we don't, we don't.